beautiful ladies, welcome back to Mugdad Studios. Hope you all are safe and sound. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput back here with a beautiful collection. So in this live I'm going to show you Banarsi Georgette collection Andy. So I'm wearing a beautiful magenta colored Banarsi Georgette sari. And look at the border, we have a beautiful border. So all over the sari we have floral motifs Andy. So it's a very lovely sari, and this is the pallu. So mannequin on is sari chusida. So this is a yellow color Georgette Banarsi collection sari Andy. So we have this beautiful floral motifs, golden zari work lo chai, and borders వచ్చేసి darker shade of ink blue, and floral motifs on the borders as well. It's a beautiful color combination, yellow and blue. And next sari is a beautiful coffee brown color, and you can see this golden stripe motifs and borders, golden zari work lo, khadi border vachai. So let me quickly show you saris from Banarsi collection now. So the next sari is in green color. So very lovely sari Andy, and you can see the floral design and orange color contrast border. So these are body hugging material Andy, Georgette, Banarsi Georgette. And this is the look of the pallu, and the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 9,800. The next sari is in dark pink color Andy. And we have bird motifs design Andy, golden zari work lo all over the sari. And borders వచ్చేసి green color lo వచ్చాయి. But this is a very lovely sari, and the look of the pallu is like this. And blouse వచ్చేసి we have this blouse, contrast blouse, and the price for this sari is 9,800. So let me show you the next one. So this is a beautiful burgundy color sari Andy, and all over the sari we have floral motifs with golden zari and golden zari borders as well, and blue color finishing on the borders. So this is a lovely sari, and here comes the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 9,000 only. So next sari is in blue color. And look at the flowers all over the sari with golden zari Andy. And borders వచ్చేసి red color lo వచ్చాయి. Jal local fillings వచ్చేసి flowers. It's a very lovely sari. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this sari is like this, red color lo chayandi. And the price for this sari is 9,000. So the next is a beautiful orange color sari, and borders lo red color shade chayandi. So jal motifs, local fillings, and borders lo jal motifs vachai, red color finishing. This is the pallu. And the price and the blouse. This is the blouse. And the price for this sari is 8,499. So these are all beautiful Georgette Banarsi collections, Sunny. So all the beautiful ladies out there, do not miss out on your favorite sari. Take a screenshot immediately and send it to us for ordering. So these are this is the contact number Andy 9949047889. So screenshot these on WhatsApp chase Andy, and we will be there to assist you further for processing your orders Andy. And we've mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well. So next saree Chusita. This is a blue color, ink blue color Andy, darker shade of ink blue color, and chinna work vachayandi, and green color contrast border. So very uncommon combination, but very pretty combination only. We have animal motifs on the borders, and the pallu like this, and blouse contrast like this. And the price for this saree is 9,800. The next one is a beautiful yellow color and rose motifs and the golden zarilo and pink color borders, zigzags on the borders, golden zarilo. Very traditional saree, and the pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this. So we have got this border as well only, and the price for this saree is 9,600. So this is our next saree in lighter shade of pink color and a very lovely saree. This is circle motifs of chayandi, beautiful design, golden zarilo and golden zari borders, zigzags and circles on the borders as well. And this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree vachesi 10,400. So these are all body hugging material and so Banarsi Georgette collection is what I'm showing you. So there will be people joining us late. So thank you so much for joining us live here. And this is our next saree in blue color, floral motifs and peacocks all over the saree and borders are in pink, and the pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this, contrast pink color and the price for this saree is 9,800. So here goes our next saree in beautiful yellow color. And we have floral motifs and pink color contrast border. Stripe motifs unnai. And pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. Contrast blouse. And price of Chesi 9,000. So this goes the next in beautiful lighter shade of pink color. We have floral work all over the saree, golden zarilo and magenta colored borders vachayandi. We have got zigzags and flowers with golden zari work on the borders. This is a very pretty color, and this is the pallu. And the blouse vachesi, it's like this with border. Contrast magenta colored blouse with border, and the price for this saree is 9,300. So next saree is in maroon color with ink blue color border. Such a lovely combination. All over the saree chinna booties unnai, and borders too we have flowers and elephant motifs as well the lovely border, Banarsi border. This is the pallu, and the blouse is like this. Contrast ink blue color blouse, and the price for this saree is 9,800. Here goes the next saree in beautiful black. So anybody who is a black lover, this is the best option in Georgette Banarsi connection. Flower motifs with golden zari and red colored borders. So black and red is always a very beautiful combination. And we have zigzag motifs on the borders, and the pallu is like this. And the blouse chasey, this is how it is. We have got a small border for all these blouses. 9,300 is the price. So this is in green shade, very beautiful color. Lighter shade of green, and we have got this flower motifs, golden zari low, borders of chasey, dark green low, zigzag motifs on the borders, and this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this only. And the price for this saree is 9,300. Here goes the next saree in beautiful pink color. It's a lovely floral design and the golden zari low. You can see these beautiful flowers. And the borders are very pretty. We've got this beautiful design, the border, zigzag motifs. This is a lovely color. And beautiful work with chayandi. And the pallu is like this. And let me show you the blouse. Blouse of chasey is like this, with small border on it. And the price for this saree is 10,400. So here goes the next one in beautiful dark shade of magenta color. And orange color contrast border. It's a very lovely combination. We have dot saree with golden zari all over the saree, and borders with floral and animal motifs of chayandi. Look at the border. We have elephants and deers and diamond motifs as well. So this is a very beautiful saree, and this is the pallu. And coming to the blouse, we have this contrast orange color blouse with border. And the price for this saree is 9,800. So next saree, this is a beautiful peach color saree, and we have silver zari work with flowers and all over the saree, and khadi border. This is a very beautiful color with silver flowers. And this is the pallu. And blouse with chasey. This is how it is, with border. And coming to the price, this is 10,900 only. Next saree వచ్చేసి ink blue color లో వచ్చాయి, and pink color contrast border, flowers and peacocks on the body of the saree, golden zari work లో. Borders లో కూడా bird motifs వచ్చాయి and flowers వచ్చాయండి, and zigzag motifs వచ్చాయి. So this is a very beautiful color combination, blue and pink. And the pallu is like this. The blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 9,800. So next saree, this is a very pretty saree, and you can see green and light shade of pink low. So border side low pink shade ochindannamata, and this side we have this beautiful green shade and pure resham work and zari work vachayandi all over the saree. This is a lovely sari with rose motifs, floral motifs, and this is the pallu. And let me show you the blouse for this sari. The blouse is like this, Adi. So very beautiful color combination. Contrast the blouse of Chayandi, and the price for this sari is 15,700. So this is the next sari. So we have yellow color sari, jal motifs, bandhani design kuda vachayandi, and border side lo pink color vachayi. Beautiful sari this is, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is like this. Bandhani design has come on the blouse as well, along with this beautiful border on it. And the price for this sari is 21,300. So here goes the next sari in beautiful peach shade, checks motifs. Check motifs of chai, local fillings of chai. You can see the bandhani design. Golden zari work all over the sari. Small borders, and this is the pallu. And the blouse is like with border. So bandhani design. Self blouse vachin anamata, and the price for this sari is 17,000. So all the beautiful ladies, quickly take a screenshot of your favorite sari and send it to us, and we will be able to assist you. So this is the contact number, and these are the Google Pay numbers. So immediately take a screenshot and send it to us, Andy, and our sales team will be there to assist you. So next sari Chisila. So this is in yellow and red shade, zigzag motifs on the border side, and so beautiful design on these. So jal vachai, mali, zigzag motifs kuda vachai, and local fillings, bandhani, golden zari work. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. Beautiful bandhani blouse with border. And the price for this sari is 21,300. So here's the next sari in darker shade of pink color. So we have flowers, cross checks, and beautiful design. Look at the body of the sari. So we've got lovely design. And the pallu is like this. Let me show you the pallu. And the blouse is like this. So we've got bandhani design along with borders ending. And the price, coming to the price for this sari, thank you. The price for this sari is 17,000. Next sari is in red and yellow. It's a very lovely combination, Andy. So chal motifs vachai, leaf low, and local fillings vachai, bandhani design. And yellow color lo borders vachai, Andy. So very beautiful color combination. And the pallu is like this. Blouse chusta. Blouse is like this. So we have got borders as well on the blouse. Just a second. Yeah, this is the blouse. with border. And the price for this sari is 21,300. So these are all beautiful body hugging Georgette Banarsi saris what I'm showing you. And similar pattern sari indaka chuppichan kada. So this is one more color only in pink color. So jal motifs vachai, floral motifs vachai, and beautiful design with bandhani prints as well. Small borders on both the sides. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this only. And the price for this sari is chasing. The price for this sari is 17,900. So here goes our next lovely sari in beautiful green and very unique green color. So you can see this beautiful thread work, embroidery work all over the sari, and we have got stones as well if you see the details. So beautiful embroidery, and we have the small border with stones and beautiful resham work. Very unique, different green and mata. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 12,700. Here goes the next sari. Very beautiful lighter shade of green lo chayandi. And look at the design. Very beautiful prints ochai, floral prints. And self work kuda ochayandi. And you can see the small work here. Very small chunky work on it. And multi-colors here. You can see green, peach, black, yellow, red on the borders. And chip work kuda ochayandi. Finishing ochesi chip work lo unnai. This is a very lovely sari. And this is the pallu. Let me show the sari again. Beautiful material and the Georgette material, finishing chip work. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is given like this only with beautiful floral prints and chip work finishing it charu. And the price for this sari is 5,999. Very reasonable price. Do not miss on that sari. So here comes a similar sari and the similar pattern, material and similar work in blue shade. And we have beautiful floral prints here, red color flowers. Each and every flower here is a very different flower and the chip work lo finishing ochai. And the pallu is like this. Finishing with chip work again. And the blouse is like this. Beautiful contrast blouse. And the price for this sari is 5,999. So this is the next sari, same pattern, yellow color lo chai. Same pattern only. So do not miss on this beautiful saris. We have got floral prints on it. And we've got multi-colors, temple motifs on the finishing. Chip work finishing. It's a beautiful color, and the pallu is like this. And blouse in yellow with chip work finishing and floral prints on it. And the price for this sari is 5,999. So here's the next sari. with beautiful prints on it. So we have got floral prints, beautiful design, and borders finishing in red. We have this beautiful burgundy embroidery work. You can see the work on the borders. And this is the pallu. So the pallu is like this, beautiful pallu. And let me show you the blouse for this sari. So this is how the blouse is. So this is a free size blouse only, so there should not be any problem with the size. And this is the back. So we have got the zip here, and this is the front. So we have got this beautiful print and work as well, Andy. You can see the work all over the blouse. And the price for this sari is 15,999. So we'll show you the next sari now. So this is a lovely sari, another beautiful sari. So you can see the material is so soft and silky, Andy. I'm not able to keep it on. It's just falling off. Okay, so you can see the beautiful colors. We have sequins, borders to put a beautiful work of Chayandi. Just look at the borders. So we have got multi colors in this sari. If you just see the details, so it's a very lovely sari. And the pallu is like this. This is the finishing of the pallu. So let me show you what's in there for the blouse for the sari. So this is the blouse, Andy. So very lovely blouse, contrast, blue color lochai, floral prints, and work as well. Handmade work. This is the back. So the price for this sari is. The price for this sari ochesi 12,700. So next sari Chisita. So this is in yellow color, similar pattern sari Chupichanan Daka. But we have got more work in this sari indeed. So all over this sari we have chunky work, Borislo temple motifs, beautiful prints. And this is the last sari from our beautiful Georgette Banarsi collection. And we have got chip work in the finishing, both sides. And the pallu, this is the finishing of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. With chip work finishing. And the price for this sari is 5,999. So all the beautiful ladies, take a screenshot of your favorite sari and send it to us at 9949047889, and we will be there to assist you for processing your orders only. And these are the Google Pay numbers where you have to make the payment online. So that's all for now from beautiful Georgette Banarsi collections. What you have seen it, I hope you all loved it. And I will soon get back to you with another collection. So till then, take care and please stay safe. Bye-bye.